Good afternoon people, today I have got something super special for you. As you can see, we have got the Alien Magic products out today, which means we are going to be testing some snow foams. But for today, we are not going to be testing one snow foam. We're not testing two snow foams. We're not testing 3 or 4, but we are going to be testing 5 snow foams. But you may be asking, Charlie, why have you got 5 snow foams? These are special snow foams because these are coloured. So we have got glow yellow, we have got Jaffa orange, we have got gamma green, we have got purple haze purple, and then we have, I know, kind of a bit underwhelming, but blue. I like the way it has to tell you as well. So you got, blue snow foam. I mean, you could have come up with something a bit better there, but hey ho, I'm looking forward for these ones because I think these are going to be wicked. But I am going to be expecting big things from it because I do get a lot of comments saying I have to try Alien Magic because I won't be disappointed. And at the back is a mystery box, which is a separate video, but this came in the same box. But you can buy this from the Alien Magic website for the price of £50, and that is for the 5 snow foams. But what I did find as I was scrolling through is this. Now that looks like an RS6, but look at that, look, they've got all the colours on the front of the car. So I'm going to try and do this. Well, I'm going to see if I can, you know, if I can do it quick enough. I'm going to try and do this, but I'm still going to review these as well. So that being said, let's grab the lance and let's start pouring. And we're going to be cleaning the beast today, and the beast is the mighty Fiat Panda. And because the Fiat Panda is white, we are going to be using the Gamma, which is the green snow foam. Now, for the actual reviewing as such, I am going to be using the MJJC PRO foam lance, but then when I put them all on the car, I will be using one lance for each colour, because obviously I want to try and get it all on the car at the same time. So, for dilution, it says I can use 100 millilitres of product to 900 millilitres of water. I am going to be slightly off of that. I've got 700 millilitres of water in here, and obviously this measuring jug is 118. So that is what I'm going to put in now, and that is, wow, that's really, I don't want to spill that out, but I think that'll stain my table. I'm going to go grab a funnel as well. That is hecka green. So that is the lance now filled, and look at the colour of it. That is proper green goblin mean green in there, isn't it? Look at that. Hopefully it doesn't stain my driveway. So right, let's go out to the car and test it out. So we've got the beast and we've got the green machine in here. So let's see how this goes, and hopefully it doesn't stain the driveway or the white panda. Let's go. I'll be honest, I'm actually a bit underwhelmed at that. It is green, it's a tinge of green, but it's actually quite a nice foam up, to be fair, so I can't knock its foam up. You know, it's quite nice, but that's not as green as I thought, considering that I've actually got a higher concentration than it actually says. I think I've got 118 ml to about 700 ml of water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this off, and then I'm going to add more green to this to make it like even greener. Because it's funny, because if you look how dark that is, you know, you think it'd come out that colour, but it's not. Actually, that's turning greener as I'm talking, isn't it? Well, that's just thrown me off, isn't it? That's just done in my previous minute of conversation. Right now, it is actually turning green. Either way, I'm going to add more. So I'm going to add just a little bit more, not much. So look, 1 pump, 2 pump. There you go, and I've learned this time, it's crazy green as soon as you put it out. Right, for the second time, we've got a higher concentration now, so let's see how green it gets now. There's a much nicer foam up though, so we'll give it a sec and we'll see how much it actually changes colours. But that's a very good foam up. Actually, that's a nice foam up. Look at that. Look at that, nice and slow, nice and thick as well. And now look at the colour difference. Now it's green. Now we're cooking. Look at that. Look at that. That is the green machine. So we are on 2 minutes now, and actually it stays on pretty well, as you can see. So yeah, nice colour green, nice foam up, and it stays on the car for quite long. Let me show you a close-up of the green in action. hella foamy, look at that. So now for the bit you've all been waiting for. I have got just under 500 millilitres of water inside each lance, and then I'm going to fill them up with 78.5 millilitres of each product, and then we will go out to the panda and we'll see if we can reenact that picture. So that is all the lances filled. We've got the Amazon Sleek Axe there, the Halford's Advanced Foam Lance, the Auto Glim Polar Blaster, and the Auto Finesse. Can't think of the actual wording for it. There we go. We now have 5 lances filled, including the green one in the MJJC. So let's go outside and have some fun. So here we go, moment of truth. I've got them all lined out here, and I'm going to try and get it all on there in one take. So let's try as quick as possible. Okay. Let's do this. And there we go. There we go. Done it. That looks so cool, doesn't it? Doesn't that look so cool? Look at that. Now this is my Picasso. Look at that. So I've been out here for a couple hours now, and I'm actually going to clean the panda now. I'm going to be using the purple one from the Auto Glim Lance, mainly because I run out of the green one for the MJJC. You did see on the far end was the Sleek X Amazon Lance, which isn't very good. That was why I was down that end, and obviously the performance isn't as good. But you know what? It's a decent snow foam. Foams up alright, but obviously you need a good lance to do it. And on a special note, the purple one smells like the colour purple. I know that sounds odd, but it does. It smells nice though. So I'm going to clean the rest of the car. Right, so my final thoughts of the Alien Magic coloured snow foam. And as I said, you can get this from the Alien Magic website. It's still £50 for 5 snow foams. And in terms of price, 500ml for a 10 of snow foam. A good snow foam as well, actually. I thought it performed pretty well, foamed up nicely. And obviously I didn't use such a heavy concentration. But I will say there is one issue I have got with this product. And that issue is right over here. So this is my wooden table. And this is where I had the blue snow foam. Here. Bearing in mind I didn't actually spill it. That was just a residue down the side of the bottle. But I can't now get this off. I've tried scrubbing it and I cannot get rid of it. Although this is wood, so obviously it has been absorbed. But you must be careful if you spill this, okay? Just to let you know. So that is the only issue I have had with it. Where it is so concentrated, this is even the same outside. When I was actually cleaning out the lances, this obviously, you know, so you're just pouring it out, obviously it splashes. But when it splashes like concentrated, it's actually quite difficult to get it off. So when you do use this, you have to dilute it. If you don't, just be aware that obviously it could potentially stain it. So I would probably stick to the dilution rules on the side. If anyone has done it at a higher concentration, let me know. I would be interested to know myself. But that is just your word of caution. Just stick to the dilution levels because you really don't want this to mess up your paint or mess up your driveway or anything like that. But the snow foam itself, 100% would recommend it. I think you should get it because you'll have a laugh doing it, and obviously you can have a play around with colours as well. And I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to mix some colours eventually. So keep your eyes out for that. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.